In this video, we're not only exploring various lighting schemes, but also demonstrating how to achieve cinematic results with minimal resources. Let's dive right in. To craft this scene, we employed the following setup: 2 reliable Nanlite Pavo Tube 30Cs, a Nanlite Forza 60B2 bicolor LED spotlight, the versatile Nanlite Forza PG FMM projection attachment, and of course, a trusty smoke machine to set the atmosphere. Now, let's break it down step by step. First up, we have the backlight, which helps us create the illusion of moonlight. We achieve this effect using the Forza 60B2 bicolor with a PJ FMM projection. To add a touch of dimension, we introduce a fill light. It subtly highlights part of the hero's face and the surrounding smoke, making the space behind our hero come to life. This is where the Pavo Tube 30C steps in. And for that extra touch of cinematic magic, we add a key light, courtesy of another Pavo Tube 30C. Our next scene puts us in the intense situation of waiting in a car. But here's the fascinating part. We've created this compelling shot with just one lighting fixture and a lighter. Take a look at the lighting setup diagram. Our secret weapon is the Nanlite Forza 60B2, positioned across the road with a PJ FMM projection and a cyan gel, setting the stage for drama. To add depth to our scene, we've introduced smoke in the car. Watch how the smoke particles glow, adding an extra layer of atmosphere. In our final scene, titled The Decision Made, we keep it sleek yet impactful. Take a look at the lighting setup diagram. Here, we use a single Nanlite Pavo Tube 30C with the fabric barn doors and grid to sculpt the light beam. For the background, we introduce the Nanlite Forza 60B2 with a PJ FMM projection and a gobo mask, along with the cyan gel to create a unique atmosphere. To add depth to the scene, we've introduced smoke. Before we sign off, a huge shout out to Nanlite for making this collaboration possible. We're grateful for the opportunity to bring these lighting techniques to life.